Hey everybody, it's Jillian from Mama's Craft Sanctuary, ready with our craft of the week. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful little circles with decorative edges using our Martha Stewart circle edge cutter, which you can find right here. All the different things you need in the drawer and a few different options. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. So this is the base piece that we need. And the last one that I did, this guy, this is still in here, and I'm gonna show you with a different one so you can see some of the variety. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this piece out, this base plate. You just pull on that little guy there and it comes right out. I'm gonna put it back in here. Just fits right in there. That way the pieces stay together. We got that one. And I'm gonna get this one out. Fine, that's the easiest way to do it. So this goes right in here. It has a little kind of lip there. And you're just gonna pull that latch and it's stuck in there. This works mostly with really strong magnets. So it's gonna feel a little bit weird when you first do it, but trust it, it'll work. So like this sits on there, and again, that's just a magnet. The other thing that you're gonna be using is this, which is actually not attached. This is also strong magnets, and that's gonna be how you turn the paper. So let's choose a size. This one is a 9-inch. You can go anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches. And if you're gonna adjust the size, you're gonna do it here and here. So let's do a 7-inch. Let's make a smaller one. So pulling this, actually that doesn't matter. That's just for that. So this just kind of slides along. So I'm gonna put it on 7. And then I'm also gonna adjust this to 7. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to take this off and we're gonna kind of center the paper on here. If you're doing a 12-inch circle, because this is a 12 by 12 paper, you'll need to make sure that you really get the center, measure it out with a ruler and whatnot. Since I'm doing a 7-inch, I'm gonna have plenty of space. So as long as I'm kind of somewhere in the middle, it should be fine. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so again, this is just magnet. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy here, magnet, and we're just gonna punch. And then you lift this off, and you're gonna use this thing here to just turn the paper. Again, feels kind of weird, but it works. And then you just get this back on there. It'll line up exactly how it needs to because those magnets. Oops, that one was hard to do. Now we turn. So you can see already, oh, it's pretty. These are fun. You can use them in scrapbooks or we use them as table decorations at the school, actually. We make these in all different colors and we have them in the centers of the tables with flowers and things like that. So, yeah. This one's a little sticky, and I'll give you a little bonus tip right now. Anytime you have a sticky punch, and I'll do this later, but anytime you have a sticky punch, which happens with basically every kind of scrapbooking punch, you can punch it with foil. That'll help sharpen it. And then you can also punch it with wax paper. That'll help kind of loosen it up. So the foil to sharpen it and the wax paper to unsticky it. So I'll probably do that with this later. You can see it's really pretty. One more. And there we have it. Pull that off, a couple pieces. Ta-da! Isn't it pretty? So that is how you use the Martha Stewart circle edge punch. Okay, we'll see you next week.